So you put in the diamond, little diamond round head here, and you turn on your Dremel and you do circular movements. You get rid of all the scratches. Turn it up a little more. There we go. It's looking really quite good now. And I'm going to do the other side here. There's scratches on this surface here, and I'm trying to remove them. Lightly. Now you can go over that with wet and dry or Brillo pad if you want to get it more exact, but that's pretty good. But I most like give it a Brillo pad or a wet and dry so that it gets even cleaner. But there you get it. The scratches are all out. Well, I have a little one here I'm going to do. Yeah, so I'm doing a little wet and dry now to get that nice smooth feel here, right? Get rid of those little rotary, light, they're only light, can you see that? There we go. They're only light little scratches, so it's easy to remove now. This is 320, wet and dry. And I'm just trying to get rid of that. So I'm not going to spray this paint up, I'm just going to white paint on, I think, because I want to leave some of the original color there. See how that's working out? You don't want to have any patterns in there in the end, to be honest. So let's wipe that, and you can see what I'm trying to get at, especially here on top. I'm trying to bring back that kind of old look, and then we'll just touch her up with some silver paint. Now you can use a Brillo as well. Might take a little longer. Try not to go like straight up and down. Try to circulate a bit so that there's no real pattern. The paint will be okay. You know, the paint will slightly cover that now. I still have some little pitting here. That's really close. Yeah, so I'm using a bit of a little bit 120 here. It's a waterproof metal one, and I'm just kind of trying to get this like a little bit more scratched up so it doesn't show underneath the paint, because I'm not putting undercoat under this. Maybe I'll go in line a bit with the plane there like this. Might give it a better feeling afterwards. I'm pretty good with that for painting. I think it's going to paint up pretty good. I have a little damage here on the top of the cabin, but I'm going to leave that. It needs a little bit of denting. And there's the wheel struts, and they're going to get painted with silver. And I'll put a little gold in it just to give it a little bit of aging. As you can see, this is a little bit goldy here compared with this here, silver. And on the front here, it was definitely golder. So I'm going to try to bring that back into it. And there she is with the wheels on. Made the wheels, took a while. Bit of aluminum as well.